G'day guys, Greg here. Now you might remember I went to Low and Slow and grabbed a Philly cheesesteak a little while back. Well, I went back and I grabbed myself some beef ribs here and well, I thought I'd just try some of their pre-cooked meats. Now this is pre-cooked, but on the front here it says that I have to reheat it to 75 degrees internal temperature. And I've been looking online to try and figure out how to do that, and do you think I can find anywhere that'll tell me? No, of course not. So I'm going to give it a go today, and well, I'll be using this meter, and well, how about we reheat this to the 75 degrees internal temperature, and then I'll give it the old taste test and see what this Low and Slow beef ribs rack is like. Let's do it. Now what I will do is set my oven to a fairly low temperature, 120 degrees Celsius. That way it won't overcook too fast and it'll warm up nice and slow. But let's take a look at this meat. Really am looking forward to this video and trying this big chunk of beef ribs, because it looks mighty impressive. Really looking forward to getting it out of its packaging, actually. That's the first chore. Do I need a chainsaw or something? Maybe a better pair of scissors might have been a better option. Oh, tell you what, it's smelling good. Oh, yes, take a look at that. Now, it is pre-cooked, so I could just eat it raw like this, but I do want to heat it up and get it nice and warm. So, I'll stick that on there. I'll grab my meter out. And, well, I'll just find somewhere to stick it. Hopefully, in here will do. Alright. Now to keep it moist, I'll cover it with some aluminium foil here. Hopefully that'll keep all its juices in. Yeah. Now I'll go to my meat thermometer and I'll put it up to 75 degrees Celsius and I'll hit start clock. Yes, I've stuck it in. Right. Okay, yes, I know that. I've already done it. Alright, so it's showing that internally it's 7 degrees Celsius and it needs to get up to 75. So, alright, well the oven's up to temperature, so let's stick it in. Yeah. And we'll just wait for this to do its thing. The time is about 10 to 1. Well, you can see on my clock here, it says it's 10 past 1, which means it's been in there for 20 minutes. And, well, it's saying that there's 2 hours and 11 minutes remaining. Oh, that means it's going to be like dinner time before it's even reheated. Oh, what have I gotten myself into? Well, that meat was compacted very tightly, so maybe it's taking a little bit longer, but I mean, even since I started talking to you, it's already dropped down to 2 hours and 5 minutes. So hopefully it won't take too much longer. It might just like really quickly heat up on the inside. Well, let's cross our fingers. It's 10 to 2. When is this torture going to end? Well, according to my clock, 1 hour and 39 minutes. Oh, finally, it's finished and ready. And it only took 2 hours. You ripper. All right, here we have it. Tell you what, it's looking pretty good. I'll just take my meter out. That'll be hot still. Well, here we go, the Cape Grim beef ribs from the Low and Slow Meat Co. Right, where's my knife? All right, well, have a look at that. It's nice and spongy now. looks alright. Look at it. That rub on top. Oh, mate. How about I cut off a nice chunk and give it a go. Oh, mate. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so tender. It's just melting your mouth. That rub's sort of got a bit of a pepperiness about it. Mate. Oh, dude, where's the rest? It's kind of like a beef lollipop or a beef ice cream or something, isn't it? Wow, living the dream. That's some mighty fine meat you got there.
That's what she said.
Could do with a bit of salt though. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. It's still juicy too. And that piece of meat costs 36 bucks. So it ends up $15 per stick. Whoa! This tastes really nice. It's a really good cut of meat to start with. And then they pre-cook it for you, so it's straight from the barbecue. Except no effort is required. I could have eaten it cold as well, but why would I bother when it only takes 2 hours at 120 degrees to heat it up? I'm sure I could have done it in the microwave for a lot less time than that. But this is some mighty fine meat here, and crispy end bits as well. Well, I am living the dream. So what's my recommendation? Well, I'll tell you what, if you got a credit card that's burning a hole in your pocket and, well, you just don't care about the price of things, mate, whip on down to Low and Slow and try some of their pre-cooked meats. Anyway, there's a nice piece of beef ribs for you that you might want to try at some stage. I mean, they got heaps of different meats there, so go in and select something and give it a go, I reckon. Well, I got quite a few bits of meat there to eat, so I'm going to finish that off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat some meat. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.